Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
从哪？定了，目标定了，明确了这次。好。
班里同样都是不让玩儿，班里有的话也
现在开始快了，知道吧？比之前快了，有这个加持，知道不？这个也在那个嘛。机会不要错过，买的多输的多，心情也很丰盛的哟。7个了对吧？不错嘛，4比1没问题的。加油，千万别慌，就在你手上了。走过的顾客们都可以看一下免费套圈小游戏了，挑战一下，评论一下是哪元汉节，就是玩的开心。恭喜你中奖了，可以里面是你第一份 黄金。我还欠你那个黄金。走。
把老子气的。
哼哼。对了，还得来这边，还得是这边。买一个吃，等会儿，等会儿我们也买一个吃。哦，香奈儿吗？从上面走过来。
我也要当时没看。
都不好走啊！啊，在那边。待会儿过去呗。
给你。
过桥，等会儿。后边桥，那后边，你后边。在这边稍微走。
走上去一圈。还走不走？跌了。在这。
还没打疫苗哦。
嗯。
就那个跟太小了。养狗啊，养的是变母聪明。这样。
送到了，已经送到了，没有送。
两个都在配送里。
哦。等会儿。走。再往下这样拍也能拍得好多，是吧？这是商场里边的。